What is it that makes you, that drives you to get up in the morning, to get out of bed, to go take on the day? What is that?
For me, the most important thing for me is that I'm downloading my brain and my heart so that my son is able to learn more about me. Just like music is the universal language, a smile is the universal expression. So when you smile, all of a sudden you attract the type of pheromones and the connectivity to humans that want to connect with you, and just amazing things happen. So I have learned that most people say I can't do things because of resources. They're either time, money, or some other fear.
Thank you, man. That made my whole evening, my whole week. That was beautifully said.